Welsh Dragon metals here. Going to be quickly showing how to make this different style copper ring out of e-waste. Simple rose type. As you can see, it'll be made with much thinner copper wire, however. They're very easy to make, similar to the other one. As you can see, they're quite nice, very shiny. So, a small piece of copper wire here, very thin. You can see. About twice as thin as the other wire that I'm currently using. Be wrapping it around just a lip band, because I have massive fingers. So, use whatever's appropriate for your finger size. Few wraps, really simple. Depending on how many you want. I'll be wanting 4. So there we go. It's 4 on both sides, as you can see there. This is a simple part, this. Twist. I want a couple of twists there to hold it in place. Next part. Watch this part carefully. Just wrap this round in a spiral. Ooh. You see that? And then you want to keep wrapping it round and round. Doesn't matter if it loops underneath or not, as this will be squished down, which will improve the shape of the rose even more. Very quick to make these ones. Depending how big you want the rose, cut it to size. That's a nice size, as you can see. Now, these two sharp bits here need to be tucked into the rose itself, otherwise when you put the ring on it will scratch your skin, and you don't want that. Otherwise you'll be covered in cuts and scratches like I am, although that's from making rings. Just carefully tuck the sharp ends underneath. Much out of the way as the skin of the skin as you can. Well, there's the rose. I'll give this a little bit of a squish on the top by pushing the pliers down on it. Quite a bit of pressure to squish it down in order to have that shape there. Still got a bit of sharpness there on the corner. Tuck that in a tiny bit more. You'll want it over the ring if possible. Yeah. And done. Very nice little rose ring. Made out of scrap copper. Totally free. So, there's another type of ring that you can make in seconds out of scrap copper. From Transformers. I'll be making more styles and more jewellery and such, probably bracelets, necklaces, different types of rings. So I'll see you in the next video.